I feel very close to the poems that I have translated. But it's a strange thing because as a translator, I feel like I don't always understand a poem until I've translated it. But then once I've translated it, I don't always know if I fully understood it, or if I've only understood it in the way that I've translated it. So I don't know how much I'm putting into it. And it's interesting to wonder if a poem that I've translated, if somebody else would translate it the same way. And I have translated some poems that were also translated by other translators, and our translations are very different. So there's no one way to translate a poem. And yeah, I think that poems are almost, once a writer writes a poem, it's its own being, I think. So that can keep, I think that the translations are just extensions of the original poem. So it's like the art keeps expanding and continuing from that one original poem. So it's fun to be part of that. And I certainly feel that my writing has definitely been affected by translating so many poems, particularly poems by Wexler, since most of my translations are translations of Wexler.